Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativeTradingSystems.com, making this a small video on the entry rules. I got a couple of emails, they're not sure or confirmed what are the rules. So I made a video a few months ago, but I can't find it right now. So I said, okay, let me just make it another one, right? So what are the rules for the entry from 20-minute charts? First of all, what is our 20-minute chart? For example, this one, pound yen is beeping right now. This is my CTS alarm right there, CTS alarm 3. It's beeping 4. So you can read here, you have a long setup. So why it's not, it is not saying short setup? Because it's a long setup. What is the long setup and what is the short setup? I saw somebody was like taking long while the setup is short. So I have to make the video now, right? All right, so here there are 4 conditions, major 4 conditions. First, let me show you what are the settings on the pound yen, let's say 5-minute chart. And this is my pound yen 5-minute chart here, the indicator window. And I have this price is 159. So you can just simply make it 169, right? And now box size is 15, shift is 20, and Renko time frame is 20. Right? That's all you need. And then maximum bar on this one, you can, if you have downloaded the history, then you don't need any more than 3,000 candles. They will do it. Then second Renko chart, make it false, or if you want, make 40-minute, right? So that the 40-minute and then the 40-minute setting, 40, 20, and 40. But this is I'm just showing in this video that how you can make the entry and what are the rules, right? So once you do that, it's okay, and you have the message here, then you're good to go. And this is the chart. Now, if the setup is ready and it's beeping, you can see that it's beeping because you see the setup is here. See, this is the setup, and it's beeping because of that. This blue candles, a couple of blue candles after the reversal candle. Now, the first candle for the setup, and by the way, this is my trade for 29 today, 150 pip and pound yen. It went even 100 pip more, but I closed with this. Okay, this was the entry. So what are the rules? The rules are, number 1 rule or condition is that this indicator has to be all the way down below this red line and turning to the upside. First thing. Rule number 2, this yellow line must be above this black line. That's number 2. Right? So we have it here. Yes. And I'm testing right now if I can put this another 3rd condition in this, even that like the black line must be also above the white line, so that we can filter some, but don't worry about that. So right now, first condition, this indicator needs to be all the way down. Second, the yellow line must be above the black. 3rd condition, the price must be making higher low. Price must be making higher low. It means this low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this one, and this one is higher than this one. This is the condition, right? And then 4th condition, the final condition is that the price obviously is above this wave. When yellow line is above the black line, and this indicates all the way down, the price is above the yellow line and coming down into the wave, right? Now, if it's coming down the wave, what you need is that you need after red candles coming into this area, you need a reversal candle and a couple of blue candles to go long. And in this condition, you will always hear this message that you have a long setup. You can never have a short message that you have a short setup. No. The email I got is that he was saying that he had something like this, right? Like this, and he said that I had a buy signal. What happened is that, yes, you have that indicator in different charts. Even you're looking at the Aussie yen, somewhere else, that thing start beeping. The setup was built, and then this window pop up wherever you are on Aussie yen, but the window is the setup is on pound yen, so the window is gonna pop and say, I have a long setup on pound yen. That doesn't, you gotta read that. Don't think that it is because it's beeping here so that it is short. It says go long on Aussie yen. Aussie yen is short. Aussie yen, for example, like this, right? So it's a short one, right? Read the message. You can never have this message saying go long when you have condition like this, like this, like that. These are all short. You are below the red line, and then yellow is below the black. It's definitely short, only short. You're gonna hit the message only short for that pair. You may hear the message for long in some other pair. The window is gonna pop up anyway, wherever you are, in whatever the pair or the chart is. It doesn't matter, right? If I'm looking at pound yen, all of a sudden I'll see the go. You have a short setup on your USD. That doesn't mean that I go short here. It is long. Okay, you got to go to Euro USD to go short, right? Not here. If I go to Euro USD, you can see here, it's also long, right? This is also one of my trades today's trade. Then I even tweeted on the Telegram that USD might give a long setup when it was dropping here. So I was expecting the long here, but never got the blue candles here and all the way down. Here I got the couple of blue candles and I opened the trade and boom, 125 pips today. Go check the Telegram. So this is what it is. Okay, don't break the rules. You go after a couple of blue candles, for example, 1 or 2 blue candles, you open a trade here, and immediately what you do is that you put your SL right there. If for any reason as the price comes down and then take your SL out, let it happen. Do not move your SL ever, ever, ever. What will happen? That will happen sometimes, but look, if you go long here, your SL never hit. You go long here, your SL never got hit. You go long here, your SL never got hit. Yes, if you got long here or here, your SL got hit, right? Similarly here, the first try and it went up. So all of these, 1, 2, 3, 4 good entries, 1 bad. So 4, even this one produced 125. 1 bad one minus 20 pip. So 100 pip profit anyway. So never move your SL once you place the SL. That's the concept, right? So understand again, one more time. First condition, this for long, first condition, this indicator must be below this red line and going up. Like this one, no. See, this is not the entry. It's not the rule. It's not fulfilling the rule, right? These were the entries, entry rule. I mean, not the entry, but the rule. Number 1, it was here, if long, but you can't go long, but you're below the red, right? You cannot go long, not the below that, but it's like yellow below the red line, and then the whole, all of these, I mean, are below red, so it's definitely short. You can't go long, right? But yeah, you can go long here because the yellow is above the black is above the white, this indicator down, and this low is higher than the previous low. Either you count this one or this one. I count this one, so it's much higher, right? This one is higher than previous, this one is higher than previous, this one is higher than previous. And the second condition, yellow must be above the black. It was here, it was barely above the black, but yes, it was. And third is the higher low, and fourth, you need a couple of blue candles, open the trade, place your SL below, and short is just the opposite. I had short here today. Let me just quickly see if I have any short today. Oh, how would I know that? I'm so stupid. This one went up, this one went up, this one went up. All of these went up, right? Maybe pound cat the other day, I think. Yeah. So you see, this is yesterday, right? So what happened here? This is just the opposite of long. It's a short, right? So when you hear, you're gonna hear the beep and the alarm saying that you have a short setup and you see, right? And what are the conditions? Again, just the opposite. This indicator, instead of all the way down, it is all the way up, turning to the downside. First thing. Second, yellow is below the black. Yes. Black is yellow the white. Yes. Second. Third, it is higher. Now we need lower high. Before we needed higher low. Now lower high. This high is lower than this high. This high is lower than this high. Okay. This high is lower than this high. So all of these, right? Then the third condition, the price is below, going into the wave with the blue candles and coming out with a couple of red candles. Right here, I open the trade. I open the trade here. I put the SL right there. When you're going short, always put the SL plus the spread. SL, whatever, just like top, whatever it is, and then plus 3 or 4 pip, whatever the spread is, add that into the SL and place your SL there, right? And then it start to come down. That's it. Now, what is the reversal candle? Let me go back on the live charts. I can show it to you. What is the reversal candle? Reversal candle is going long and just the opposite for short. Now, going long, you can see the reversal candle. Let me open up a little bit more. You see that this is, these are like red candle, red, 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 red. All of a sudden, you see this white candle here? That's a reversal candle, which closes above the previous red candle, and it's white. Right? After that, you need a couple of blue candles and open the trade. So I open the trade here, I place my SL here. That's it. Now here, the reversal candle was here, but we never got the couple of blue candles. So forget about going long. That's the, so now going long, this white candle, which closes above the previous red candle, is the reversal candle. And coming down, this black candle is which closes below, and then below the blue candle, right? And yeah, that's the reversal candle, right? So, and after that, I was supposed to have a couple of red candles, but I never did. So no short here. And obviously, this is not the short condition anyway. I'm just showing it to you, right? So for short, for example, you need something like this, right? So this, and you get all the way up. Yellow is below the black. Black is below the white. This blue candle is going there, and then all of a sudden you get the reversal candle and a couple of red candles. You open the trade here, you place your SL there, right? If you open the trade here from here to here, this is 35 pip. You come and sit on a break even, price goes, take you out, bye-bye, thank you very much. Okay, similarly here, you try this one, then most of the time, your SL will hit at break even. But sometimes, sometimes it's, you lose 5 pip, 10 pip, 15 pip, some, here, they're like, for example, here, if I go short here, then the price goes down 10 pip, I move my SL 10 pip. So I'm on 10 to 15 pip risk. Then my SL is taken out for 10 pip loss or 15 pip loss. That's fine. Thank you very much. But then when I'm right, then I can catch like this. So losses are not a concern at all. You will have it. These are the overheads for a business, FPL bill, rent, payroll, all of that, right? So once in a while, our SL hit here, there, that's perfectly fine. But a trade like this, all of these, let me just show you that this was, no, not this one, this was before. Is this today? Yeah, see this Euro USD today, right? What else? What the heck? That's not the folder, no, okay. Maybe this one? No, this is previous. 28. Forget about it. Okay, hold on, this one. So quickly, I'll go. For example, E, right? You see this buy order? 90 pip. It's so easy and so simple. This one, buy Euro USD, 125. This one, 120 Euro yen. Euro was getting strong. This one, you can see is Euro USD. This is, I posted on the Telegram also, that GU is making along, right? And 100 pip, 150 pip GJ. Every single thing you will see according to the setup. And when the setup is there, the alarm beeps, the setup is there. But don't take the long setup and go short. Okay, you're gonna get killed. Short setup is different. Read the message. If the message is for the same pair you're looking at, or you're taking the trade, right? The message, you gotta read the message. I made a big mistake the other day, and I paid for it because I was expecting yen to get strong. So there was a short beep for a couple of yen pairs, right? So pound yen, I saw it set up, right? And then I saw USD yen, and I thought everything is gonna be sell. So I sold both of them without looking at it. So pound yen went down, very nice and clean, but USD yen went up because USD was getting very strong there. I didn't read the message. So yeah, once in a while that's fine, but that was a mistake, not deliberately I'm going along short for a long setup. No. So don't do that. All right. So this is just wanted to show. If anybody is not clear, then now you are clear. And even then, if you still have a problem, email me that I don't understand, then I'll make another video or two, and then make you understand. Okay, not a problem. This is another one. This is pound Aussie. I think this is the Telegram. I also send on the Telegram storyline. Right? Today, pretty good. 5 or 6 good trades. So these are yesterday. You see that? Yesterday I had 3 entries with pound USD. Anyway, so and you look at all of my trades. I'm going to make the weekly recap, so you'll see that every single thing is according to the setup. Every single thing. You can just do it manually, and then you look at it without the alarm. Just look at it. The yellow is above the black. It's traveling like this. Definitely yellow is above the black. So every time this indicator is down, and then red candle turns blue, you open the trade. You can open the trade easily, right? So this is it for now. And like I said, that if you still don't understand, just email me. Bye for now and talk to you guys later.